customer order comes into our system. And we will call it order A. Before, if you remember, we had disparate communications and information silos. Now, the order comes in, the CRM system sends it to the ERP system for the order to be processed through our standardized layer. The ERP informs our third-party plants or suppliers and our production system, and the order starts getting processed. All on standardized TIBCO messaging. What that allows us to do is, let's say Plan 2 goes out and is not able to process order A anymore. We're able to quickly reroute the capacity to be made up by Plant 1 and our detailed plant over here. And also go not only from production level notifications, but also inform the business level right away. So inform the supply chain management system that the order will be delayed and the truck or ship should wait. And also inform our account executive in the CRM relationship to tell the customer that the order might be 2 or 3 days late because of our production outage. So when we think about what we had before, we have increased flexibility to deal with either our production cycle changes or different orders coming in, either in volume or in specifications. So we have increased flexibility, decreasing our production cycle. We also have eliminated the information silos that we had among different plants and the production and business level, and are now able to communicate and correlate among the entire enterprise and third-party suppliers. So our production cycle gets quicker because we don't have any more information silos. The last point I want to touch upon is the support and maintenance side. We now don't have to support all the disparate point-to-point data interchange or the custom systems that were created to eliminate certain silos, but are now standardized on one integration messaging platform. What that allows us to do is quickly update and change business processes to deal with market demands, and if we want to exchange a system or update one, we're quickly able to integrate it into our standard messaging platform. This makes us more able to respond to market demands, decrease our production cycle, like we're trying to achieve, and save us money as well. And now, when we've standardized on TIBCO's integration layer and have combined the business level with the production level, I now want to talk about enlarging the scale across divisions, across product lines, across global supply chain, and across global order delivery. And it is the next step in PIKE's TIBCO Advanced Manufacturing Framework called Global Order Management, or TIBCO's AFF product. When we look at it from a global perspective, we have the global order management system that TIBCO provides sitting on top of TIBCO's integration layer, wherever that may be, and governing, using TIBCO's standardized messaging, all the product flows, material tracking, and orders that are running through our production lines. These orders can not only be tracked by ensuring the correct supplies from different suppliers, but they also can be checked by the rules we govern on the product specifications. So it should have this type, this size, these specifications that the customer wanted. And then also on the accounting side or on the finance side, make sure that this is priced correctly. Is it priced in dollars, euros? What is the exchange rate? What does the customer get? And this can be done globally. So we're checking all customer orders. So we don't only have order A, but we have A, B, C, D, E, that are sent to the different plants across our global productions. We make sure that the orders get the right materials, that the technical specifications are right, that they're priced correctly, so we make our profit, and we leverage the decreased production cycle time to be able to fulfill the orders faster, Now we look at how do we visualize that. We have dashboards that we're able to leverage in real time, pulling the messages or the events that we've established here, governed by our rules of the order management system that tell us what is happening where in a visual form for management to pick up centrally across our entire manufacturing enterprise. Not only can we visualize, but we also can have the system alert us if something happens, like this plant outage. We would get an alert that tells us plant 2 is malfunctioning, we're rerouting to plant 1, plant 10 in Brazil, etc. By doing all those things and leveraging our decreased production cycle time and our global order management, we're hoping that if orders do go up, our profit curve will not go down as we had before, but up with the order volume as well. And now that our profit is increasing, as the volume of orders is increasing, we can take a look at the recap of the complete advanced manufacturing framework that we've talked about today. We talked about the initial problems that we have with flexibility, information silos, and the high support and maintenance cost, and how we've eliminated those with the standardized TIBCO integration platform and the global order management system providing the rules and the overviews and the visual dashboard to manage it all. And we've increased our flexibility. We have eliminated all information silos across the global production platform, and we've decreased support and maintenance. We've also added rules, visualizations, and alert to our global production platform, and all this is encompassed in PIKE Electronics' Advanced Manufacturing Framework. I want to thank everybody for their time, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.